This is our stamp branding kit. This stamp branding kit, with it you can brand up to 10 kg of your industrial nylon and more. Inside one kit contains 100mm ink, the customized stamp for you, and the stamp pad. So you send us the design of your stamp, the design you want in your stamp, then we are going to customize it and produce a stamp for you. Okay, now I will open this 100mm ink for your branding. Then I will pour it inside. I pour a little inside that eyedropper container. That container you're looking at is eyedropper container, and it's 10mm. Okay, so after now you can see I've opened the ink to show you that it is filled up to the brim. Okay, now after adding it inside the 10mm container, I will cover the ink and cover the eyedropper container. Now, why are we using eyedropper container? Because you're going to be dropping your ink in drops. We don't want you to add on excess ink. If you add excess ink here, you will spoil your branding. It will not come out neat. So you drop like between 20 to 30 inks, distribute it around the stamp pad. Distribute it around the stamp pad. You don't need to drop excess ink. Dropping excess ink means wasting your ink. This one that I've added here can give me up to 100 sachets branding. So you close it and get biro. Okay, once you get biro, remove the cover of the biro, or get any small thing that has cylindrical shape, then use it to distribute the ink around the entire stamp, just like I'm doing now. Do this for like 4 or 5 times so that everything will be evenly distributed. Now that eyedropper ink, eyedropper container, the ink that is there, that eyedropper container is 10 mils, and with that 10 mils you can brand 1 kg of industrial nylon, and we know that 1 kg of industrial nylon will give you approximately 825 pieces if your item, if the one sachet of your item is 5 inches height. Therefore, the 100ml container will give you approximately 9,000 sachet branding, or even more. If your item is 5 inches height, that's per sachet. If the one sachet of your item is 5 inches in the height, or even less, so it can give you approximately 9,000 sachets for that 100ml ink. Okay, so the next thing, you get your nylon where you want to brand, then dip your stamp inside the stamp pad once, not twice. And this is you have to be very cautious here. I'm showing you the secret. The stamp must look dry. Even when you dip it, it should look dry. The stamp pad itself should look dry. The stamp should look dry. The stamp pad should look dry. Then stamp it once at the center of your nylon. You just get it right. Once the stamp is not looking dry and the stamp pad is not looking dry, your stamping will be messed up. Once it's looking wet, it will be messed up. So the secret is that once you dipped it inside the stamp pad and you look at it, it's dry. That means you're getting it. If it's not dry, then you have to blow it. Blow it with your mouth or with a little fan, then it will be dry. So that's why I say, as you're blowing it, you're wasting your ink. So why not you just drop few little drops, and then distribute it evenly and use it to start branding. This little one I dropped on this stamp pad, I said it can brand more than 100 sachets of nylon for me before I will even drop another one. So you can see this is economical for you as a new business, as an SME. Very, very economical. Can you see the branding? Is it not looking sharp? Very sharp. And this thing is permanent. It will stay there for life. It will stay in the nylon for life. for life. So Vital Rich is always coming up with ideas to make your business to become more enjoyable. Now that one we branded was on industrial nylon. You can use this branding for any type of nylon, whether it's a thin nylon, whether it's a thick nylon, whether it's for liquid, with any type of nylon. Now I'm going to brand this other nylon you call glass nylon. I'm going to brand on it now. You can, the speed is very fast. Everything it will take you to brand one sachet, not more than 3 seconds. Everything one sachet will take you no more than 3 seconds. Can you see how the surface of our stamp is looking dry, as if it's dry? The secret is that it must not look wet. Both your stamp and your stamp pad must not look well. They will look as if they are dry. Then you can now stamp. And when you're dipping the stamp inside the stamp pad, do not dip 2 times. One dipping is all you need, and then one stamping is all you need. Now you see the way I was lifting the stamp. I was lifting the stamp strategically so that everything will show. Both the right top that is on top and the right top that is down, they will show. You can see. So that is the essence of this training, to show you how to use our branding kits, our stamp branding kit. Now I continue to brand. So if you have been looking for how to brand your product, you're running up and down, spending a whole lot of money for people to brand your product, this is it. This is what you need. This thing you can take 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours and brand all your nylon. Brand it, or you can give it to maybe your staff to brand it for you. It won't take you anything. You will stop wasting money on giving people your product to brand for you. So remember, you create the design you want. Okay, you get our number, our WhatsApp number from our bio to place your order. You create the design you want for your stamp, and then you send it to us. We customize it for you and then give you the kit. The kit contains the stamp itself, the customized stamp itself, 1, 2, the stamp pad, 3, the ink. Now the ink comes in 3 colors. We have the red ink, the blue ink, and the black ink. The company giving us this ink, they have been on ink business for decades, for many decades. So their ink are super and excellent. So we trust you are enjoying this. Don't forget to like this video, share this video wide. A lot of people need to come in contact with this. A lot of people that have been looking for how to brand their products, that have been asking questions, how do I do simple branding, how do I do simple basic branding? This is it. Once you're done branding for each one, place it in a place where it will receive air and dry. You will give it between 15 minutes to 20 minutes for it to dry. I'm not just talking of surface drying, but drying very well. Once it dries very well, then you're good to go. It is permanent for life. Okay, now don't make the mistake of dropping another thing on top of it or allowing it to fold. And the moment you're done, you put your stamp pad inside the nylon and cover it up. Never you leave your stamp pad open or allow it or expose it, because if you do, the ink there will be drying. Okay, let's test the durability of our work. Can you see? I'm cleaning it with handkerchief now to see if the ink will come out. Once the ink is dry, it is there for life. It's there for life. That's the essence of you allowing it to dry very well before you pack them together. Please don't make that mistake of packing them together without them drying. They must dry. Now this is the one printed on industrial nylon. You see it? I wipe it with the handkerchief. It is still there. It can never come out because it's there for life. Now I'm going to dip the handkerchief inside water to see if it will clean. Water will clean it. Water cannot clean it. You will see. I've dipped the handkerchief inside water and I rub it on the surface. I rub the handkerchief on the surface. It's still there. The ink is there for life. It is there for life with the nylon. On the nylon is there for life. I know you enjoyed this video. Give us a thumbs up. Give Vital Rich a Concept Limited a thumbs up for always working hard to bring you tips that will make your business to keep moving forward. Yeah. Thank you for watching this video. Place your order for our stamping kit, and all the other things we offer. Our industrial nylons, our non-industrial nylons, our selling items, and every other thing we offer.